guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be putting into how you can tie the Olori Gele. What is Olori? Olori means queen, and I believe everyone is a queen. You are the king's daughter. So this is for you. You inspire me to make this Gele. And for you to wear it, has adjustable strap at the back, which you can use to adjust your head size. Put it all the way to the back. Adjust it. You can put it a little to the back. Can you see that's the strap there? Make sure it's the V is in the center. Then you're going to style it. For those that you want your hair to show, you can just roll this out like this. You can just roll this like this. Can you see it's already looking so beautiful? So for ladies, you want to stand out from the crowd, the Queen Gele is just for you. That's Olori. Wow. So that's it. We have it available at Ojulewa. Order yours today. And please kindly follow us on all our social media pages. Ojulewa Studio. That's on Instagram and on Facebook and on Twitter. And we're giving giveaway on all these platforms. So follow us today. I'm sure you're going to get a gift very soon. Thank you. See you next time. And I love you all. Mwah!